Hello everyone! Today's story is Hello Kitty selling cakes. What's my schedule for today? Oh, I have to go to my cake shop. Now, I want to choose clothes. Which one should I use? Let me see. This one, or this one? I'll just use this one. It's beautiful. Wow, it's so beautiful. I want to wear lipstick. I also use perfume to smell good. Now, I want to use the green ribbon. I want to use this green bag to match. Okay, now I'm going to cake shop. In my cake shop, I sell ice cream with many choice of toppings. And I also sell cakes here. Let's wait for customers. OMG! Why are you here dressed like that? I was hungry. There was no food in my house. Okay, what cake do you want, Kuromi? I don't want cake. I want watermelon. Okay, just sit here for a while so I can get it in my kitchen. Wow! The glass has the letter K. K is Kitty or Kuromi. I'll just drink it. Kuromi, this is your watermelon. Wow! Thank you, Hello Kitty! Oh no! I'm still hungry! I want this rainbow ice cream! This looks delicious! Kuromi! You can eat that ice cream! Why? I'm still hungry! If you want to eat ice cream, you have to pay!
moments later.
Where's Kuromi? It's taking so long. I'll just eat it and the ice cream is about to melt. I'm so tired. Okay, everyone. That's today's story. Thank you for watching.